Hi guys! For my introduction today, I decided to do a quick PowerPoint presentation and use my webcam so that you guys can see me while I talk. This is just a quick little thing I thought I'd put together, thought it'd be fun to do. My name's Crimson. Sorry, my hair is a mess today, my goodness. And here we go. So about me, I live in Evansville, Indiana with my husband. We have an absolute zoo in our house and out of our house, mostly exotics, which I thought would be fun to introduce you guys to here in just a little bit. I currently hold a Bachelor's of Science degree in English with an emphasis in rhetoric and writing, and I am currently working toward a Bachelor of Education in Library Science and Media. I don't plan on using it to actually teach. I would love to be a librarian in a public library. That's been my dream since I was in high school. I am in my last year thanks to a lot of transfer credits from my past degree. And I should graduate next August so long as everything goes the way that I've planned it out. Okay, so I told you guys that I thought it would be interesting to introduce you to some of my animals. So here is a little rundown of all of them, and I'm going to pause for just a second and try to get a couple of them on the screen. Okay, hi guys. This is my puppy. This is Gimli. He's a crazy little thing for being as little as he is, but we love him. He's my little baby. He just hangs out with me all the time. So this is little Gimli. We'll pause for a second and see if I can get one of the cats now. Alright guys, this right here is Chewy. She's one of our cats. We actually rescued her. We rescued both of our cats. She's missing an ear thanks to a raccoon fight when she was little. Oh, now she wants to come say hi. She's my little sweetheart. She's not a fan of the dog, but that's okay. She still hangs out with us most of the day anyway. I've actually not been able to get Crystal, our other cat. I think she is outside. She likes to run in and out. She actually acts a little bit like the dog, as she'll go outside for a little while, and then she'll wait at the door for me to bring her in, and then she'll want to go back out again later. Alright, one more second. I'm going to go find some more animals for you guys. Alright, you guys, this is Feely and Keely. They're just hanging out in their hammock. That's where they spend most of the day. They don't really wake up and get wild until it turns into nighttime. So they're just kind of napping right now. There's one of them looking at us. I don't know which is which because they both look exactly the same. They are both albinos, so they are white with their little red eyes. They were a Christmas present. This is our second set of rats that we've had. We had girls last time, and when they all passed, we opted for boys this time. So, there they are. Alright guys, here's the part where if you're a little squeamish, you might want to look away or fast forward just a few seconds. Next, I wanted to introduce you to our rose-haired tarantula. Her name is Shelob. Here she is. You can see her hanging out in the corner of her cage there. I would get her out for you guys, but unfortunately, I am a little wary. She has not been handled much, and I don't know if I am allergic to bees, which would pretty much constitute whether or not I would be allergic to her if she decided to bite me. So that's our little Shelob. Give me one more second. I'm going to introduce you to the last member of our zoo. Alright guys, this is my favorite animal that we have in our house. This is Xana. She is our boa constrictor. She is actually almost 5 years older than I am. We did not get her when she was a baby. We got her, she was almost this size when we got her. But I mean, you can see, she's about as big as I am. Probably weighs 50 to 60 pounds. She is the absolute love of my life. Scales are definitely my favorite kinds of animals. Anything with scales is my best friend. So I wanted to get her out today and introduce you guys. Especially because a lot of people people don't get to see a boa this old or even this big. Most of them don't last till past 20 in captivity. So the fact that she is 29 is absolutely amazing, especially with the amount of owners that she's had. Whew. She's active. She just got fed earlier this week. So, all right, I'm going to pause for one more second, and then we'll get back to the rest of my presentation. Okay, guys, I am back. That was fun. We don't get to get her out very often just because we have to put the dog away when she's out. He doesn't quite understand that he can't just play around with her. We have one more set of animals, but I'm not going to introduce you to them because I'd have to go all the way out in our yard. It would just take a little too much time from us, but we do also have 5 chickens. They are all Rhode Island Reds. They live outside. We just got them this year. We get a ton of eggs. We are overrun with eggs right now. But that's exactly what we wanted them for. So I'm glad that we got them. All right, let's continue on with this introduction. All right, back to classwork now with differentiating instruction. Differentiating instruction to me just means that you meet your students where they are, academically, anything like that, while still holding them to standards that are equal to their peers. This doesn't necessarily mean they have to be exactly the same standards. It just means that they are held to the same level of excellence from you, and their standards may have to be modified to accommodate whatever it is that they need accommodated. But that's differentiated instruction. And teachers definitely have to be patient and compassionate. Your students have to see that in you. They have to know that you care about them. And when they know that you care about them, they might see you treating their peers a little differently based on their personal needs and what they need to succeed. But they can still see that everybody's being treated equally in your heart and in your mind, that you see everybody as equal, even if their curriculum needs to change just a little bit. All right, the learning objectives. What I hope to gain from this course, I am a library science major. I do not plan to go into teaching, but I do hope that this class will help me to see how I can treat my patrons, especially those coming in who are students, who are looking for my help with classwork and things like that, how to treat them equally and still be able to provide them with an effective learning environment, even if they do have different needs than, say, what I needed at the time when I was in school. All right, guys, that's it from me. I'm so looking forward to interacting with everybody. I'll get this posted, and I can't wait to interact with you guys later in this class. Bye!